Welcome back. In the last section, we unraveled the core concept of data communication. Now let's delve deeper into the building blocks that make this fascinating process possible. Sender. Imagine sending an email. The journey begins with the sender, the device originating the message. It could be your laptop, smartphone, or even a sensor sending data to a cloud server. The sender prepares and encodes the data, transforming it into a format suitable for transmission. Receiver. On the other end, we have the receiver, the device that receives and interprets the message. It could be another computer, a tablet, or even a printer waiting for instructions. The receiver decodes the data back into its original form, ready to be processed and used. Transmission medium. But how does this information travel? Enter the transmission medium, the physical pathway that carries the data signals. Think of it as a highway for information. We have cables like twisted pair, coaxial, and the mighty fiber optic, transmitting data through electrical or light pulses. And don't forget about the invisible highways of the sky. Wireless channels carry data through radio waves and microwaves. Network devices. Now, imagine a bustling city with traffic lights and signs. That's where network devices come in. Routers direct data packets to their destinations, switches connect devices within a network, and firewalls safeguard sensitive information. These unsung heroes ensure the smooth flow and security of data communication. Data representation, binary system. And finally, the language of data, the binary system. Forget complex alphabets. In this world, information dances to the rhythm of zeros and ones. This simple code allows computers to efficiently store, process, and transmit data, making it the backbone of digital communication. Key takeaways. Remember, these elements work in perfect harmony. The sender initiates, the receiver interprets, the medium carries, the devices manage, and the binary system translates. Understanding these building blocks is key to unlocking the secrets of data communication. Next steps. This is just the beginning. In the next modules, we'll explore different types of networks, dive deeper into the functionalities of these devices, and understand how data representation shapes our digital world. Don't forget to like this video, share your knowledge, and subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of data communication. Let's keep exploring together. And that concludes our exploration of the essential elements of data communication. We've unraveled the sender, receiver, the pathways, the managers, and the language of this digital symphony. I hope this journey has sparked your curiosity and ignited your passion for understanding the world of data. But our adventure doesn't end here. Share this video with your friends and colleagues who might be interested in joining us on this journey. Subscribe to my channel for more fascinating insights into the future of technology and the ever-evolving landscape of data communication. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, remember, the power of data communication lies within your fingertips. Go out there, explore, and connect.